Section 2.2, example number 12, finding the equation of a line and writing it in standard form. So let's see what they give us. So find the equation of the line with slope -6 passing through the point 1/4, comma, -2. Write equation in standard form. So here we need to figure out what standard form is. So as defined in the book, we have standard form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are integers, so just no fractions. It could be negative numbers or positive numbers. On one side of the equal sign and on the right side, we have a constant. So over here, we have the constant, we have a term or two terms with variables over on the left side, constant on the right side. All right, so that's what we want to get it to look like, standard form. But before that, we have to figure out what the equation of that line is. So we need our point slope formula, and it's perfect because they give us a point and they also give us the slope. So we don't have to do too much work here. Let's start with the equation. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Y minus y1. So y minus y1 is going to be a -2 is equal to m. M is equal to -6. X minus x1. So 1/4. All right, and now from here, let's distribute. So we have y plus 2 is equal to, let's distribute that -6 through. -6x, negative times negative is going to be a positive. And then we have 6/4. So we see that both top and bottom are divisible by 2. So this ends up reducing to 3/2. So 3/2. And from here, what I really want to do is clear that fraction, because remember when we put it in standard form, these should all be integers. They should not be fractions. They should be whole numbers. So to get rid of this fraction, we're going to multiply by the LCD, the least common denominator. So multiplying both not top and bottom, multiplying both sides by 2. So multiply the left side by 2. Multiply the right side by 2. And that leaves us with 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4 is equal to -6 times 2 is -12x. And 2's divide out here. So if we were to multiply the 2 here, it would divide out with that 2. So plus 3. And lastly, we want to get all the variables over to the left side. So what we're going to do is add 12x to both sides. So that divides out here. And we always wanted an xy form. So we're going to have 12x plus 2y, plus 4 equals 3. We don't want to have any constants on the left side. So what we're going to do is subtract them from both sides. So -4 here, -4 here, leaving us with 12x plus 2y is equal to a -1. And that's it. That is the equation of our line in standard form. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.